This counting circuit counts from 1 to 9 using a clock signal, which is a repeating oscillation between high and low. Each oscillation is counted and increases the number on the display. It uses a combination of 4011, 4017, 4510, and 4511 chips to count the oscillations. The signal is translated into binary before being outputted on the display as base 10 numbers. This NAND gate oscillator creates the clock signal that is counted with the display. It uses a pull-up resistor configuration, NAND gates, and 2 capacitors to create the oscillation shown by the LED. The large 10 microfarad capacitor controls the duration, and the smaller 0.1 microfarad capacitor controls the frequency. This decade counter circuit uses a 4017 chip to count each pulse from the clock signal. Each pulse is represented by an LED on the bar graph, with the green LED returning the sequence back to 0. The green LED is at 1/10 of the clock's frequency, causing it to light from 0 to 4 and turn off from 5 to 9. This circuit uses the previous 4017 chip with a 4510 chip, which expresses each pulse as a binary number. Binary is in base 2, so with 4 LEDs representing digits, it can count from 0 to 15. A slide switch allows the chip to count both up and down. This circuit uses the binary outputs from the 4510 chip with a 4511 chip and 7-segment display. The 4511 chip takes the binary inputs and activates certain segments on the display for each number. Each pulse now increases the number on the display, counting from 0 to 9. It is possible to chain 2 counting circuits to create a 2-digit counter. This circuit uses an additional 4510 and 4511 chip. The carry out pin from the 1's digit 4510 chip is routed to the carry in pin on the 10's digit 4510. This permits synchronous counting up and down, counting in 2 digits from 0 to 99. This printed circuit board is the final product, showing a full counting circuit. The case contains a 9-volt battery powering the circuit when the power switch is flipped. This circuit is a great example of how a clock signal can be used to keep time and count.